What's up, guys? I found this really great tool for you guys to use. And I'm going to show you guys how to use it because it's an easy way for us or for you and for me to be able to use PDFs and Word documents that you haven't been able to write on. I know. So, what I'm going to ask you guys to do is you are going to download this app called Cami. It's not for your phone, it's for your computers. And what you are going to do is you are going to click on the link that I'm going to place directly into your Google Classroom, and it's going to take you to this area in the Google Play Store. And in the Google Play Store, it's an extension that you're going to add on to your Chrome browser. So when you click on this over here, it's going to say add extension. You're going to click on it and you're going to allow it to do what it does. You're going to add it. It's going to ask you to log in. You will log in or sign in using your Bronx LGJ. Sign in, and you will use your LGJ password to log in. Log in or sign up. You're going to click on this Google. You're going to click your name, put in your password, and it's going to take you to this particular screen. Now, what's super cool about this? I'll explain. Now, once you download this extension, you should see a little K right here in the top right hand corner. Once you have that little K in the top right hand corner, you are all set. Now, I'm going to show you how it looks. You're going to go into Google Classroom. Let's just say Mr. Ramos or Miss Moyer or Mr. Pifo gives you something on a PDF and you're like, Mr. Pifo, Mr. Ramos, I cannot write on this. Cami to the rescue. You're going to click on the assignment that you're going to see, right? I'm going to our intro to probability classwork. Everybody had a problem using it because it was a Word document. I'm going to click on it, and up top here, you're going to see Open with Cami. If you don't see Open with Cami there, see these three buttons? You're going to click on them, open a new window. If you open in a new window, this box will light up and say Open with, Annotate with Cami. Now, when you log into Cami, you're going to be able to do everything that you wanted to do, right? And now it's converting my Windows file or my Microsoft Windows doc into a file that it can read. And when it's done, I'm going to be able to write directly onto a PDF. I'm going to be able to write directly onto this intro to probability. Now, if I want to put a text box, I could put a text box here and write directly on this PDF. Mr. Ramos said so. Also, if I wanted to draw, I could click draw, pick the color that I want to draw, or I want to do my math. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Super cool, right? And while you're doing it, this is being saved automatically. I have an eraser. I can erase all the things that I want to erase. I could add shapes. I can insert a line if Mr. Ramos or Mr. Pifo is asking you to, match two things, right? Really cool ideas. And on top of that, if you're being asked to annotate for any class, English, social studies, science, it has a highlighter that you can choose the color for and highlight the areas that you want highlighted. I want to highlight this section right here. And I want to highlight this. And then what I could do, right, is add a comment. Why did I want to annotate that? I'm going to add a comment. Mr. Ramos, I highlighted this area because of its importance. Super cool. You could even talk to it and it would write whatever you're talking directly to it. Now, when you're done with your work, the great thing about Kami is when you're done with the work, it's automatically Google Classroom connected. You're going to see a little turn-in box on the top here. You're going to press turn in, and that's it. You're done. And now I can give you feedback directly onto here. I could also send you a video or a screenshot. I could put a video comment. Check this out. Allow. And I'm going to put a video here. Hey, guy, this was fantastic. Great job. And now you're going to see that my video comment embeds directly into here. And you could write a reply back. Thank you for the feedback, Mr. Ramos. So all of these things will be at your disposal, especially when you are using PDF files or Microsoft Word files, or files that you can't seem to get to write on Google Classroom. All right. I hope this helps. I want you to upload it and put it onto your computer immediately. So this way, anytime we send out PDFs, you'll be able to work on it. All right. I'll see you guys soon.